Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to disable the Microsoft Store on your Windows PC using just one simple PowerShell command. Whether you want to block app installations, secure your system, or limit access for other users, this trick gets the job done fast. No extra tools needed. So let's jump right in and take control of your PC with PowerShell. So for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to use my virtual machine for demonstration. So please stick and stay with me whilst we get started. So to get started, I'm going to open my virtual machine which I've launched already. And this is my Microsoft Store. Okay, so I'm going to open it quickly. Okay, so it's opening. Okay. So now you see we can get access to our Microsoft Store. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to disable or remove it from Windows. So to do that, let me close the Microsoft Store quickly. So we are going to click on the search and then we type PowerShell. So now we are going to run the PowerShell with admin privilege. So to do that, I'm going to click on Run as Administrator. Then I'll click on Yes to allow these apps to make changes. Okay, so I already have the script on my desktop. So let me minimize the virtual machine and then I open my script. Okay, so I'm going to copy the script, then I paste it here. Okay, so this is the script to remove the Microsoft Store from Windows. So I'm going to press on the Enter key. Okay, so let me close the PowerShell. So immediately you see we don't have the Microsoft Store at task bar again. So let me click on the search and search for Microsoft Store. So you see at the search we didn't have the Microsoft Store. Okay, so now you see we've removed the Microsoft Store from Windows. Okay, so this is the command to do that. I'll be leaving the command at the description below. Okay, so now to bring it back, I'm going to click on the search again and type PowerShell. So I'm going to run with admin privilege and then I click on yes. So now I'm going back to my script and then I'll copy this script. Okay, I'll be leaving the script at the description below. You try your hands and leave your comment at the comment section. So let me minimize my script and go back to the virtual machine. So let me paste it here and press enter on the keyboard. Okay, so we've done installing it. So for the changes to take effect, I need to restart my virtual machine. Okay, so please stick and stay with me whilst I do the restart. So whilst it's restarting, I'll meet you at the other side. Okay, so now it has finished restarting. So let me log in quickly and then we see the outcome. Okay. Okay, so now let's check if you have the Microsoft Store. Okay, so I'm going to click on the search, then I'll look for Microsoft Store. Okay, now you see we have the Microsoft Store. Okay, so this is the basic script to remove and then add the Microsoft Store to Windows. Please, if you find value in this video, please consider supporting the channel by clicking on the subscribe button and liking the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye for now.